Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 Outlook. I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlook today. He's having some major allergy troubles today, so, I hope he feels better soon, so I'm filling in for him today, so let's get right to it. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, and much of Arkansas. Cities into our slight include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. We have a marginal tomorrow that encompasses much of Texas, much of Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, northwestern Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, far western Tennessee, most of Missouri, most of Illinois, much of Indiana, much of Kentucky, and southwestern Ohio. Cities into our marginal include San Antonio, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, and west central Arkansas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses parts of central Oklahoma, parts of Texas, the very far extreme northwestern tip of Louisiana, and much of Arkansas. Cities in Taurus 2% tornado risk area include Little Rock, Arkansas, Waco, Texas, Abilene, Texas, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Lawton, Oklahoma. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses parts of northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, and much of Arkansas. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses much of Oklahoma, much of Texas, northwestern Louisiana, much of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, southeastern Kansas, most of Missouri, most of Illinois, the southern half of Indiana, much of Kentucky, and southwestern Ohio. Cities in Taurus 5% wind risk area include San Antonio, Texas, Indianapolis, Indiana, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses far southern Oklahoma and north central Texas. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include the 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One encompassing much of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and a little bit of southwestern Arkansas. And another 5% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses east central Missouri, parts of Illinois, southern Indiana, northwestern Kentucky, and north central Kentucky, and southwestern Ohio. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, and Cincinnati, Ohio. So in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible on Wednesday, centered on central In summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible on Wednesday, centered on central Texas to eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. Large hail, damaging wind, and a few tornadoes will be possible with thunderstorm activity. So, that's the day 2 outlook, and again, I'm filling in for SPC convective outlooks while he's having bad allergies, and I hope he feels better soon. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.